This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset Oil Life Buick Enclave, updated. Park the vehicle on level ground, apply the parking brake, and cycle the ignition to RUN with engine off. Use the steering wheel menu buttons to navigate to vehicle information, select Oil Life, press and hold the set button until the display resets, then turn off and restart to confirm the Oil Life reads 100%. Finish by recording service details. Use the instrument cluster buttons to access menus and confirm model-specific prompts for resetting Oil Life. With ignition in RUN, press the menu button, scroll to Oil Life, and follow prompts to reset. If prompted, confirm reset by holding the check or set button until the percentage resets to 100%, then cycle ignition and verify the maintenance reminder is cleared. This helps prevent dashboard warnings. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more quick car tips. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Owala water bottle, perfect for service bays and road trips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider supporting the channel that way. Your support funds more helpful how-tos. Thanks for watching, and now, let's get back to the video. Some models require the engine running to reset, so check your owner's manual or on-screen prompts before starting. If the reset does not take, inspect the battery voltage and fuse for the instrument cluster, then retry the reset procedure. Software updates at dealerships can change the menu flow, so note any differences and record steps that worked. Always perform an oil level check after service and before relying on the reset indicator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.